Welcome! If you want to get your video seen by thousands or even millions on Snapchat, submitting to Spotlight is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps for 2025 so you can share your creativity with the world. First, grab your phone and open the Snapchat app. On the main screen, tap the camera icon right in the center. This is where you can either record a brand new video or upload one you've already created from your camera roll. To record, just press and hold the capture button. If you want to use a video you already have, swipe up to access your camera roll or memories, then pick the video you want to share. Once your video is ready, look for the Send to button at the bottom right of the screen and tap it. This brings up a list of options for sharing your snap. In this menu, find and select Spotlight. That's the section dedicated to viral short-form videos on Snapchat. Before you post, you'll have the chance to add a caption to your video. This is a great spot to describe your content or add some personality. You can also include hashtags to help people find your video based on topics or trends. Hashtags make your content more discoverable, so don't skip this step if you want to reach a bigger audience. When you're happy with your video, caption, and hashtags, tap the arrow or send icon to submit it to Spotlight. Your video will go through Snapchat's review process, and if it meets the guidelines, it'll be published for everyone to see. That's it! You've just submitted your video to Snapchat Spotlight. With these simple steps, you're ready to share your best moments and maybe even go viral. Good luck, and keep creating!